Wow, oh wow, oh wow. You probably think I'm crazy taking a video of it raining, but this is my first rain and first like measurable rain in like 2 months. Bryan, Texas. August 10th, 2022. We're like 8 inches behind in rain. We've had nothing but hot and dry and 100-degree weather. Finally, there's been a few pockets of rain the last couple of days. But for me, this is my first measurable rain definitely in like 7 to 9 weeks. We need it badly. We need not a hard or flash flooding. We need a slow, long, slow rain. This is very nice. Only in Texas do you get out and get in the rain or look in the rain or take pictures or video of the rain, huh? Brazos County, Brazos Valley, Bryan, Texas. Yeehaw! Howdy! August 10th, rain. Thank you, God. What a blessing. We need it badly. Oh, yeah. They were showing some rain up by Waco and Dallas. Now I'm getting a little. Nice, nice, nice.